Shop with me. So I leave Lekki and I come to Ilupeju just to shop in this place. Guys, you know why I like to shop here? I can get all my items in one place. When I mean all, from groceries to poultry needs, right? So they have a section for poultry, they have a section for fruits, they have a section for, in fact, everything. That's why I come here. I'll get to tell you the name, but first of all, come with me as I do my monthly shopping. A pocket one for cars. Everybody needs Vaseline. I think I'm done. Basically, I don't need anything from this section. My daughter is now on natural hair, so I think I'm going to do this. See you around. My children go to school with stationaries and they don't last. They come back today. I want pencil, I want eraser, I want the wants just never keep ending. But we're here to support you. That's all I tell them. I am here to support you. You see this school? You shall go to school. So whatever it is that you need to go to school, you're not going to lack. I will keep giving you. No matter how you misplace it, I will keep giving you. I told you they have a section for everything. This is the section for skincare, hair care, and all of the good stuffs. We're progressing. Nothing to that phase in our lives that we have to quit cornflakes. Like seriously, because the prices of cornflakes these days. I'm giving my children real food. So we're going to shop only biscuits at this point. You see all the drinks. We have to slow down. So down. We're slowing down. Slowing down is our name. See you around. Am I the only one that looks at people's baskets when they're shopping? I'm always fond of looking at people's baskets when they're shopping. So just now I saw a lady and I saw something in her basket and I looked, well, it was wheat bread, and I've been meaning to buy wheat bread for a long time. The way I ran, and I actually forgot to put it on my list, the way I ran to go and pick my own wheat bread, you won't believe it. So yes, I look at people's carts, because in this life you have to look at other people to see what is happening, update yourself, and as well, where you are not making the right decisions, you can adjust. Anyway, this is the section for, this is also toilet care, air care, all the washes, all the good things. I told you they have everything here. Everything care. So I shop practically everything here, apart from, like I told you, food items like onubu and co. But every other groceries, they have it here. See you around. See my people have upgraded. Just nekene, they've upgraded. Hey! Meanwhile, see the name of the supermarket. Like I mentioned to you, they have upgraded. Shop Perfect. I'm happy for you people. Has upgraded. It's been long I came here. I think I came here last in November. Whether of November or October. Anyways, if you want to shop, one-stop shop for everything you need, Shop Perfect is the place for you. They're giving me music and they say I should not dance. I have to dance.
Officer Joe.
It's time to pay.
They say they don't say pieces. It's
Okay.
packed.
Are sure you won't
roll.
keep it safe? Is it good? You're sure?